Hey everybody, Kate Miller here coming to you on our latest Zoom session. I am joined by my favorite female attorney, Stephanie Ross. Hey Stephanie.
Hello.
Hey. All right, so the big topic today in Mecklenburg County is the fact that CMS School Board had their, I heard 6-hour long meeting last night to determine how school is going to reopen here in the fall, which sounds like it's far away, but it's basically a month away at this point. So first day of school is going to be August 17th. They're going to do 2 weeks of rotating the students in and out to kind of get accustomed to their teacher and figure out how to even do the virtual classroom aspect of it. And then at that point, starting with week 3, they're going fully remote indefinitely, which is huge and interesting. And you and I could talk for hours, as parents are right now, for just talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly, and all that. But I thought it would be helpful for our dozens of viewers to hear from us about the legal perspective of how folks might be impacted from not only a child custody, but also a child support standpoint. So having gone through the schedule and thinking about it, Stephanie, what are some of the biggest impacts that you think that parents might see with this new schedule?
Well, I think that there's going to be challenges anytime that you have a shared custody arrangement where you envisioned one thing and then another thing is actually taking place. So if you had 50-50 custody and you're picking up and dropping off from school and now you're not doing that, you've got to figure out what you're going to do instead and whether or not that's going to work. So there's going to be some challenges there with the schedule first. There's also going to be probably some additional childcare costs for some people who are working from, who are, not able to work from home. You're going to have full-time daycare for a child who maybe would be in school at this point. And that, of course, childcare costs will affect your child support, whether you're receiving it or paying it. If you have childcare costs, that will affect that. And that would be, that would be something that you would want to talk to your attorney about, of whether or not that would be a cause for a modification of the child support that you're paying.
Definitely. Yeah. I can also see those situations where even parents who are able to work from home, who are going to be hiring tutors or, some sort of teaching supplement person to come in to help them do it. Because, I mean, if you're talking about doing, high school level math, that is something that I haven't done for 40 years now, but for a long time. And for a parent to try to take that on in addition to actually working from home is a big ask. And so I think that a lot of folks are looking to the private tutor aspect of help just because they have to. So that's definitely another expense that could affect child support, as it could be included as an extraordinary expense on those guideline calculations.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it could, especially, if it's agreed upon and it's for the benefit of the child, that's something that should be included. Another issue might be under legal custody. If you have to, as we figure out what CMS is going to look like, whether or not they're going to stay remote learning or open back up, and if you're going to put your child back into school after they open back up, that's something that could fall under the legal decision making.
Agreed.
Not necessarily just an open and shut case. They're definitely going to go back or they're definitely going to stay home. That's something that the parents need to talk about.
Right. And if they can't agree, then you need to either file a motion to modify custody and wait for the court to hear your case, which could take months, or go to mediation, or potentially even look at an arbitration. So lots to consider. So I really encourage folks, if you've got a custody order, a child support order, and you've got questions about how it might get changed, or how you could change it if you and your ex-spouse can agree, give us a call. We'd love to help you out through this, because this is certainly an unprecedented time that we all need to work together if we can. So give us a call. Thanks, Stephanie. I appreciate your time, and
Thank you,
we'll talk to you soon.